Well, we're in Beaufort, South Carolina, where we've rented this most gorgeous home. This is the beautiful little nook. Wait, I just want to get the whole house, then I'm going to come outside. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Oh, gosh.
Oh gosh, she's walking around.
Beautiful.
Really nice.
This is one bedroom.
Now, is this your bedroom?
I don't know. I guess.
I would think so. You have your own private bathroom.
I just want to... Oh, look at that. A little bathroom in here. Man, the room's...
Is there something through there too?
No, this is just
Oh,
a
okay.
closet. Okay. Let's see. What else? Oh, so nice.
This is really nice.
This also has a beautiful view. Oh, it's gorgeous. Another bathroom. Going through here. Oh, another bedroom. This is special.
Well, I
And then go washer dryer. Going down.
Joni, open that door.
Yes.
Right there. Outside.
Yes. And this is the mother-in-law suite with its own bathroom. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. And again with the beautiful view, the gorgeous South Carolina landscape.